share with you a very, a short story that I read about Sir Syed Ahmed Khan when he was setting up the Aligarh Muslim University, which was, remember, that was a very difficult time for Muslims. And he wanted to set up an educational institute where Muslims would be given religious as well as secular education. This was the colonial period, the height of the colonial period, the freedom struggle in the subcontinent, the Indian subcontinent. And at that time, they were the lowest of, in every situation, the Muslims of the Indian subcontinent. Economically, they were impoverished because of British colonialism, and politically they had no say, and that had a massive impact on the, on the way Muslims viewed themselves. They didn't even know that we be able to pull something like this off for ourselves, an education, a premier educational institute where Muslims would be educated in secular sciences and Islamic sciences. Why Sir Syed Ahmed Khan wanted to do this is because he understood it's only through education that you're going to get a revival. There's no other way. And a revival is through the intellect. We are rational creatures, and that's what he wanted to do, and he wanted to set up the Aligarh Muslim University. What he did was, because the funding was so low, you have the Muslims in such an impoverished state. How are they going to set up an institute? He advised the people, the Muslim families, that whenever you make your meal in the evening, and North Indians and even Pakistanis, what they do have is wheat. They consume a lot of wheat, rotis, how they have, especially for their meals in dinner, during dinner. So he asked all of these families, whenever you start making dinner for yourself, and you make, you take out your wheat, do one thing. Take a handful, a palmful of this wheat, and just keep it separate. And keep doing this for a month. And then I'm going to send people who are going to collect this. And then we're going to collect all of this wheat and sell it off and get the money for the university, for the Aligarh Muslim University, a premier institute for Muslims to be educated in. And